Hi guys, this is Kwanele. In this video, I'll show you the two ways of calculating a standard deviation. Firstly, we have to calculate a mean. I'm going to use these observations. Before you calculate a standard deviation, you have to calculate a mean. You can't calculate a standard deviation without a mean. So how do we calculate a mean? It's x bar is equal to the sum of the observation divided by the number of observations. So we are going to add these observations in order to get the sum of observation, which is the sum of x. So we're going to say 12 plus 14 plus 13 plus 24, which is equal to 63. So the sum of x is 63 over the number of observations. How many observations do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 observations. So 63 divided by 4. The mean is 15,75. 15,75. So the mean is 15,75. Then we can calculate the standard deviation. So the formula for the standard deviation is Sx is equal to the square root to the sum of x squared minus n into x bar, which is the mean, all squared, divide by n minus 1 divide by n minus 1. So we have to calculate the sum of x squared. How do we calculate the sum of x squared? We are going to square each and every observation here, which is, I'm going to do it this side. So 12 squared, I'm going to say 12 squared, which is equal to 144. So I'm going to say 144 and then 14 squared it's 196. 196 and then 13 squared 169. 169. Then the last one, which is 24 squared 576. 576. And then we add them all. So 144 plus 196 plus 169 plus 576, which is equal to 1085. So the sum of x squared is equal to 1085. 1085. So let us substitute. So the sum of x squared is 1085. 85 minus n. So the observations, how many observations do we have? We have 4 observations. The mean is 15,75. 75 all squared, divide by n minus 1, which is 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. So the answer is, let us calculate. First, square root 1085 minus 4 into 15,75 all squared, divide 4 minus 1. The answer is 5,560. 5,560. That is the first way of calculating the standard deviation. So the second way, we are going to use our calculators, which is the Casio FX82ZA plus. Go to mode, then go to state mode, which is option number 2. Click number 2, then go to option number 1. There's the table. So we're going to punch the original data, which is this one. 12 equal 14, then press equal 13, then press equal 24, then press equal, and then press AC after you have done. Then it will be blank. Then go to shift, then click 1. Go to sum. So when you are calculating a mean, we are going to need the sum of x, which is on option number 2. When you are calculating a mean, we need the sum of x, which is on option number 2. So click 2, then press equal. So the sum of x is 63. There it is, 63. We are just double checking now. Then shift 1 again, go to sum. We need now the sum of x squared because we are calculating the standard deviation. Press 1, then it's 1085. It's correct. And then let us go and check the standard deviation. The final answer, shift 1, go to option number 4, then there's SX on option number 4. Click 4, then press equal. It's 5,560. It's correct.